I love the pace of construction. You know, it's a very fast-paced industry. Every day is different. You have a to-do list every day. You usually don't hit everything on the to-do list, but that keeps things exciting. I love being on a project team and just growing those relationships. You know, every day you don't feel like you're necessarily seeing the progress on a job. Day by day, nothing changes, but then you look back and you see how far you've come. There's really nothing like walking past a building and being able to say, we built this. I treat my work-life balance kind of like I treat my projects. I think it's really important to just plan ahead. Sometimes I send out my PTO months in advance, but that, puts it on the books. You have something to look forward to, and then when the time comes, you're ready for it. I think a common trait among the mentors is just not being reactive. It's very, easy to be reactive in our industry. You have a tight schedule, a tight budget, tight timeline. Having a composed reaction goes a lot farther than yelling. I think I noticed the biggest change in my career during COVID. I was somewhat blind to COVID and the quarantine thing because I was on a job. So I never stopped going to work. I never had to work from home. But then I started a job after COVID, and that's when I started to notice the procurement delays. Schedules definitely took a lot longer, and since then, that's just been a continually evolving challenge, and I think it will be for the future. You start to realize a lot of people have the same stories, they have the same backgrounds, they have the same experiences, and it makes you realize, even though sometimes you may feel alone, you're not, and to know that there's a community around you. And also, I hope it's an inspiration just for girls in school or girls in another career that, you can do this. Construction's tough, but those that don't give up are, those are great role models to look up to. And just realizing that, no matter if you're male or you're female or you're a laborer or you're a superintendent or if you're a project manager, it doesn't matter who you are on a job, that everyone has a critical role in the project's success. And I think the sooner that everyone realizes that is really what will shape the future of construction.